Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another makeup tutorial with this look. And it's really simple, really easy. It's very pinky, it's got a lot of pink undertones. You guys know that my favorite color is pink. So I really enjoyed doing this look and hopefully you guys enjoy it too. So that's what this video is going to be, another makeup tutorial. If you have not entered my giveaway yet, I will link it above for you guys so you can enter that if you're interested in winning some free makeup. I mean, why wouldn't you? And if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and comment down below and tell me what else you guys would like to see from me. If you are not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications so that you're always notified when I upload a new video, because I upload new videos every single day. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this makeup tutorial. So as you can see, my base is already done because I'm not doing anything different. Fenty foundation, Laura Mercier powder, body gleam for primer. You guys have seen this before. You know, if you're new to my channel, hey, how are you? Welcome. But yes, so I have done my base in my other videos, so I didn't want to bore you guys with the details. But if you would like to check out, you know, what I do use for my face products, check out a few of my other tutorials. So this look is going to be really cute, but also really simple. So we are going to jump into the Jaclyn Hill, the original Jaclyn Hill palette that she did with Morphe. And it looks like this. And I'm just gonna go in, we're gonna go in with this brown shade here on the JH30 brush. I love this blending brush, you guys, it's great. And we are just gonna take that and put it in the crease. Next, I'm going to go in with the JH34. And I'm going to dip into this kind of dusty pink here. Dip into that and put it on the outer V of the eye. So now I'm just going to be taking a clean blending brush, this is from Morphe, and blend out the top edges. So now I'm going to take this packing brush, this is the JH41, and I'm going to dip into this really light shimmery pink, and that's going to go all over the lid. Now I'm going to take that same blending brush that I took before and blend out the edges. So now I'm going to go back in with that Dusty Rose shade and I'm going to bring it down to my waterline. Okay, so now I'm gonna go put on some mascara and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so these are the eyes. This is the eye look. I wanted to create something simple, but still something that could be, you know, glammy. If, you know, you wanted to go out, like a club or something, and you want a little bit of sparkle. This is really simple. It really didn't take me all that long. So, you know, do with that what you will. For lips, since the face is pretty much pinky undertones, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink from, well, I already said Maybelline, and this is the color Lover. It's color number 15, Lover. Okay guys, so that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope that you guys like it. I think this might be maybe my most favorite look that I've ever created, just because you guys know pink is my favorite color. So if only for that reason. I do want to remind you all about my giveaway. Still going on. If you haven't entered yet, it is still open. You can just click, I'll put it in the card somewhere. And you can check that out and enter if you're interested. And I think that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Oh, no. If you like this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what else you guys would like to see from me. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications so that you're always notified when I upload a new video. So I upload new videos every single day and you don't want to miss it. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye guys. She's a pretty pink princess. Put the crown on for this one, yes. Even though my hair is looking jacked.